The next one, Shiromani Akali Dal. Shiromani Akali Dal. This party was established in 1920. This is a prominent regional party in Punjab. This party is prominent, is one of the significant and important party in Punjab. The main or objective of this party was cultivating religious and regional identity. They wanted an identity of their own, religious identity, and also as a region. And it assumes power in Punjab for many years. It came into power for many years in Punjab. The third party is Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. This is the main party in Kashmir, and this was established in 1932. The interest of this party is or objective of this party is to protect the interests of Kashmiri people. So to protect their culture, their traditions and their language, and protection of autonomous status. Autonomous status is a self-government or self-governance, and so they wanted to protect their status of self-governance. The next one, Assam Gan Parishad. Assam Agreement was signed in 1985. Let's understand what this Assam Agreement is. Assam Agreement is a memorandum of settlement. This is a memorandum of settlement. This memorandum of settlement was signed between Government of India and state leaders of Assam. What is the reason for this signing the memorandum of settlement was due to protest by All Assam Students Union. There was a protest led by All Assam Students Union, and the demand for this protest was that to send away all illegal foreigners and migrants. They were afraid that they will be dominated by people of other states, and so they wanted to protect their culture, religion, their traditions, and so they demanded that people from other states must go away from their state, and so protect the unique culture, linguistic and social identity of Assam, economic development of Assam. So they wanted to resolve the problems of displaced people. As I said, people from other states were migrants. And the people of Assam also wanted to protect their culture, their language, their social identity, and for their economic development. This party assumes power in Assam for many years. This party came into power in Assam for many years. The fifth one, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. This party initially was called as Justice Party. It was a non-Brahmin movement in 1920, was transformed into Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. So when there was a non-Brahmin movement in 1920, non-Brahmin movement means people who did not belong to Brahmins group led a movement. And so this party, Justice Party, was transformed or changed to or called as Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. And it was a political party. In 1944, Justice Party came to be known as Dravida Kazhagam. Later on, in 1944, this party was renamed as Dravida Kazhagam. In 1944, a group separated from this party and established another party, Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. After that, from the Dravida Kazhagam party, a group got separated and they established a separate party called as Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Another group separated from this party in 1972 and established All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. And so, the other group of people who got separated from this party established their own party, and that party is called as All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. So the Justice Party is transformed into two parties, that is Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam and All India Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. What is the objective of this party is to protect Tamil identity. Members of coalition government at the center for some years. So this party also worked with the central government in coalition with the national parties. This party began in Tamil Nadu. So the party has support for voters of all sections of society. So this party was mainly accepted by all the sections of the society in Tamil Nadu. It was in power for a long period and implemented many policies. So this is one of the strongest party which came into power for many years, and it has worked for the development of the state Tamil Nadu. So in India we have many regional parties in every state that have influenced the state politics. So here is a chart that shows information or performance of regional parties in Maharashtra in the elections of 2009 and 2014.